Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Masum here. So if you want to speak English confidently and easily, then this video is for you. If you don't have any hours, to practice spoken English, then I am going to suggest you in this video that how you can practice daily 5 to 10 minutes to improve your spoken English. So let's start. But before that, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video and support me. Today I am going to share my daily practice routine, my 5 to 10 minute daily practice routine. Let's go to the crux without wasting time. So number one topic, that is warm up talk. I know that it sounds funny, but in the morning, basically daily basis, I speak with myself, to myself. It's more than 2 minutes, yeah. I pick a random topic, for example, like my plans for the day, etc. etc. No grammar rules, no pressure, just flow of thoughts in English. That's enough. For example, today I am planning to go out with my friends. Yes, and this helps my brain to switch from my native language to English mode. Number 2, listening and shadowing practice. Next, I do called shadowing practice. And what is this? It means listening to a short English clip from YouTube, from any podcast, from any social media, and I try to repeat what I hear. It supports me, it helps me to correct my pronunciation, my tone, my body language, and I try to learn new phrases, new idioms from the influencers too. I try to repeat their voice with same echo, with same tone, with same sound. Believe me, this step helps me to improve my accent, my fluency, my confidence, etc. Number 3, vocabulary in action. And what is it? Now it's time to play with words. Every day I choose 3 words or 3 idioms to practice like, and I try to make sentences with those phrases, with those idioms. For example, a word that is consistency. Consistency is the key to improve spoken English. Not only spoken English, but also if you be consistent in each and every field, then you can improve your spoken English too. And number 4, that is mirror talks. Then comes to my favorite part, and that is mirror talk. What is mirror talk? I stand in front of a mirror and I speak to myself with full confidence, like I am pretending that I am speaking with someone else. I know it looks, it's sound funny. Okay, one more thing, that people, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, and share this video. Okay, let's go ahead. Mirror talk helps me a lot, like eye contact. It boosts my English. It boosts my confidence. Just imagine that you are explaining something, about your hobby, about your favorite, social game, favorite sports, etc., with someone, that you are speaking with someone, and you are sharing your thoughts with someone. That's enough. Also, believe me, it can improve your public speaking practice too. And number 5, that is recap and reflection. Finally, I spend 1 minute reflecting on how I did. I ask myself, did I speak without hesitation? Which words were heard? Did I sound confident? If something difficult, I note it down for the next time, because I believe that progress does not come from being perfect. It comes from being consistent. And that's it, my daily 5 to 10 minute practice routine. Remember that it's not about perfection, it's all about your daily practice. If you want to apply this trick, you can also do that, and to improve your English speaking. Not only English speaking, if you want to improve in any field, then you need to be consistent. So if you found this video at least a little bit helpful, then please do subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video. So let me know in the comment that in which topic you want me to make a video next time. So till then, bye bye.